Hey guys, welcome to a new video after a very long time. So in front of me is the Airdopes 138 from Boat, and this earphones I have not bought it. I got it as a Diwali gift. So I have been using it for about a month, and on the box it says that it has a 60 hours of battery play time. And on the box, inside the box, we have the USB-C cable, some stickers, and then there's also the manual, the 1-year warranty, and other stuff. So this is the cable that we have. It is a very small cable, and you can use it to charge your case that it comes with. So this is the case, and this case has a 60 hours battery, and I would say it's very close to 60 hours. In 1 week I have to only charge it for like once a week. And so basically you put the earphones inside this case and the earphones charge. So these are the earphones that it comes with. The quality is not bad in any way. It is made of hard plastic. And so as you can see, this is the design that it comes with. Backside you get a button, and this time with Boat you don't get touch buttons, and I would say that's a good thing because the pressable buttons are like better in terms of accidental touches. So you don't have like accidental touches while removing or wearing the earphones. And so these earphones have like battery standby or battery usage time of about 4 to 5 hours in my experience. And with battery there's no problem with these earphones. They are very good. And so like the sound quality is also good. I would not say it's like the best, but it's still very good, and you would not have any problem with it. So that's my review for these earphones. Overall it's a nice earphones.